Just need to look at this. Not crying. Boys, right?
Full aboard.
When this train leaves, our train will go.
Welcome to Disneyland Railroad. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands on feet and legs inside the train at all times. And please supervise everyone, keeping them away from any of the train openings. Our next station stop will be the Marsh station.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezcan.
Look, do you want to sit in the caboose? Or do you want to sit outside?